Luke?
Yeah, Bill Cornesia, I've been cringing putting this forecast together and the realization of how cold it's going to be the next few days. First, we have this winter storm warning that's going to be out till 6 p.m. tomorrow, and that's because of those strong wind gusts that are going to cause some of that blowing snow. And of course, the strong wind gusts giving way to a wind chill warning also put out by the National Weather Service. This out till noon Tuesday, so a very long duration time where we're going to have really cold winds outside. So looking out right now from radar and satellite, most of the clouds just out east in western Iowa. Out west, eastern Nebraska, seeing a little bit more clearing, but still, everyone's cold, and that's going to be the main impacts for today. Looking outside, this is the 10th Street Bridge from our Embassy Suites sky cam. You can see quite icy conditions on that overpass there. So in any areas where you got a bridge and overpass, really take it slow, really take it easy. And there it is, folks. We're at 0 degrees right now, and there's no turning back for the next 3 days. As you just heard, it's probably going to be a 3-day period of where we have those temperatures below 0 degrees outside. And that northwest wind is going to be pumping that entire time. A feel-like temperature around negative 25 degrees outside. So I want to point out the temperatures we have northwest of us because we have a northwest breeze. The temperatures out in the northwest, that's what we're going to have coming these next few days. Look at Rapid City in South Dakota, negative 15 degrees outside. So it's pretty clear we're going to have cold temperatures very soon. 0 in Omaha. If you go down south, temperatures, the warmest temperature on the board, 6 in Maryville. Out west, York at -6, Columbus -3, Norfolk 2 below 0, and the feel-like temperature is just brutal outside. We're talking 20, almost 30 degrees below 0 in some areas, and that's just how it's going to be, folks, for the next 3 days because of that super strong northwest wind we're going to have overnight. So the feel-like temperature overnight, I wouldn't even think about going outside. And we might even have a chance of some flurries overnight tonight. I'll tell you all about that in my forecast in just a little bit. Back to you.